You wake up at 5 in the morning to an icy wind. You are not an ordinary man. You are Genghis Khan. As you step out of your tent, the endless Mongolian steppe and tens of thousands of yurts stretching to the horizon greet you. Just as the sun rises, you pray to Tengri, the eternal blue sky god of the steppe. Every morning is the same ritual. This is the source of your infinite power. You put on your hard leather armor and wolf fur cloak. Every piece falling on your shoulders carries a story won on the battlefields. Your breakfast is tough. You start the day drinking kumis, fermented mare's milk, the true fuel of the Mongol horde, along with dried horse meat. Your first task is checking the war horses. Every Mongol warrior has 5 horses. These horses are the relentless legs of your empire. By noon, you meet with your generals Subutai and Gibi. Over a massive map, you plan how to collapse the Jin dynasty of China. A breathless messenger rushes into your tent. He arrives via the Yam'ın, the world's first intercontinental postal and relay system. He brings intelligence from Khwarezmia. The army's training is brutal. In the afternoon, you watch thousands of horse archers practicing their legendary feigned retreat tactic. You enter the blacksmith's tent. Hundreds of anvils are working non-stop. The terrifying composite bows and curved swords are born here. You inspect the siege engines built by Chinese engineers, catapults and trebuchets. The enemy's walls will no longer protect them. Towards evening, you participate in a massive Batu hunt, a live military siege drill. You feel the wind on your face upon your horse. Returning from the hunt, you watch the warriors wrestle. This is Bok, traditional Mongol wrestling, the art of survival of the fittest. It is time to enforce the Yasa, the iron law of your empire. The thief loses his hand, the liar his tongue. No one can break your absolute rules. As the sun sets, you receive the trembling emissaries. You read the fate of their unyielding kingdoms in the sheer terror of their eyes. You inspect the merchant caravans from the Silk Road. Silk, spices, gold. Free trade is the blood vessel of your vast empire. The evening feast is set. Roasted mutton, barrels of kumis, and deep throat singing. You celebrate the inevitable victories to come. Night falls. Massive fires are lit, meat is roasting, and the haunting Mongol throat music echoes across the dark steppe. You gaze upon the eternal blue sky, Tengri, knowing that soon the entire world will groan beneath the hooves of your horses. Because you are Temujin, and your 24 hours are built entirely on changing the course of human history forever.